purpose. We have no intention to hurt a feeling of an individual. It's just an imagination. There's nothing to do with any adult's personal life. 18 plus content included. Watch this at your own risk. Author, YN were staring at a shirt. We opened the door. We shocked. What are you doing? YN keeps looking at the shirt. Nothing. We tell me, why are you staring at the shirt for? YN, actually, I'm thinking something. We, what are you thinking about so curiously? YN, we, come here, look at this shirt. Don't you think it's big size? We, big size like what? YN, it's a big shirt. I brought it for you only. We, yeah, thanks for that, but why did you brought a little big shirt? YN, because I want you big, big daddy. We, oh, look at me, I'm big. YN looks at V, his whole body from head to toe, and smiles. V, smiles back. Wait, what are you laughing for? Did you find something funny? YN, yes, you're big, I guess. Keep smiling and blushing. V, hey, don't look at that thing, you're so naughty. YN, I can't stop looking at it. Then, what do you want? Should I wear this shirt? YN, no, I want you to take off your shirt, not to wear shirt. We, amazed, huh? Take off my shirt? Do you want to do? YN, absolutely. Author, YN pulls V lightly, then stares at V's lips and start removing V's shirts. YN, you know, there's no one at home right now, whispered in V's ear. V, yeah, all the maids and servants are working in garden, so can we have a shower together? YN, that's good idea, but I think we can stay on the bed. It's soft and you're hard. YN, such a damn beautiful combination. V, beautiful how? Oh yeah, you Mariti. V, let me turn off the lights. YN, no, let all the lights open. V, why? YN, that's because if you turn off the lights, I won't be able to see your hot figure. V, gosh, I got a dirty room. YN, even right now, you're wearing clothes, but I can still see your everything. YN, should I remove your pants too? V, your wish. Author, YN start removing V's pants. V, hope. YN, what happened? V, I see they are quite big. YN, just some minutes you will be able to see them more. V, your bra color is great. YN, your favorite color? V, how you know? YN, I know your everything, every single thing. V, can I undress you like you did? YN, is that a question? Absolutely you can. You don't need any permission. V, okay. Author, he touches you very gently. V, he slightly touches your neck and kiss. YN, can we share together? V, but I asked you before, you replied that you want to stay on bed. YN, yeah, but it's still all right there. Please? V, okay my friend. Author, he carried YN to the bathroom. YN, fast, I can wait. V, you're more excited compared to me. YN, smiling, sorry, but yeah. Now imagine yourself, you dirty-minded.